Hello everyone, I'm putting these two Bachmann F7s for sale. They are really good looking. I have the original box. They have the Bachmann Easy Mate couplers. I actually have a mix of a little bit of everything for couplers. So the B unit has Bachmann Easy Mate couplers. This one has a micro trains in the back and in the front. And it's a poor installation. They're just crazy glued on there. So these have broken gears, although they look very nice. They have broken gears, so they run, but they run and they go clickety-clack down the track. So maybe you can enjoy them. I'm putting them up for auction. The auction will end March 20. So if you're watching this video after that, sorry you missed out. See you soon. So these I'm selling as is because they have broken gears in them. Maybe you can enjoy them like that. For me, they didn't make the grade.